Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another punch recipe. So if you want to see how I achieve this one, just keep on watching. Okay guys, to make this punch, we're going to need the following ingredients. We're going to need beetroot, pumpkin, carrots, and Irish potato. And I'm going to peel all these ingredients, wash properly, cut in chunks, and put to boiled. And after boiling, then we'll come back to explain the other steps. So just keep on watching, guys. Water and allow that to boil, and we're just going to add the cut veggies and allow them to cook until tender. Then we will remove the veggies from the water as shown here. Allow that to cool down, and also the water. That's what we're going to use to blend this punch, okay? You don't discard the water as we'll be using it for blending. So here's a run through of the other ingredients we'll be using. That's nutmeg. Yes, that's the one already great. We're going to need our condensed milk, and we're going to use cinnamon, vanilla, and our Guinness stout. The Guinness stout is optional. And the milk also, you can use the milk of your choice. I'll be using condensed milk. Okay guys, our next step now is to add all these veggies to the blender. Blend until smooth, and remember we're using the water also that we use to cook the veggies. And afterward we're just going to add our sweetener, add our spices, and I'll come back at the end of the video. But I like to take the time out again to thank all my supporters. I really appreciate you guys a lot. And if it's the first time you're coming and bored, please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you won't miss another upload. So just keep on watching, guys, and I'll catch guys. Yes, all these veggies used are packed with good health benefits. Yes, so please do your research and also test out this sponge is a must try. Yes, and all the ingredients used, I'll put them in the description box below. So guys, do something for me. Please like the video, share the video, drop me a comment, subscribe if you haven't. And if you enjoy this one, there's a lot more on my channel. Just check it out. So we have come to the end of another video. Want to take the time out again. Thanks for all the support. Really, really appreciate you, each and every one of you guys. So guys, until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.